Okay, children, in the last class we have seen the 3 questions. Now we are going to see the 4th one. What was the lesson learnt by Uttaman? I continue in this. Answer the following. Answer the following. 4th question. Page number 111. Answer the following. 4th one. What was the lesson learnt by Uttaman? What was the lesson learnt by Uttaman? What was the lesson learnt by Uttaman? He learned. Answer is the lesson learnt by Uttaman was that practice makes man perfect. Practice makes man perfect. So practice பண்ண பண்ணதான் man வந்து perfectா இருக்க முடியும். Practice makes the man perfect. What was the lesson learned by Uttaman? The lesson learnt by Uttaman was that practice makes man perfect. So that's all the 4 question answers. And after this, try your own. Here they are given about the bow. So about the bow, you have to write in this box. In the first box, meaning. What is the meaning for this? What's the meaning for the bow? A weapon for shooting arrows. In your mother tongue, will. Parts of a speech, noun. And use in sentence. Enna use pannalam? We have to use a bow and arrow to shoot these birds. Inga vandu draw pananum. Bow and arrow you have to draw. So you complete this. Now the next one, read the passage and give the answer. We had our annual sports day on 15th of this month. It was fun. They decorated the school and playground. There was the march past. The headmaster started the event. There were races, jumps and other events. Martin and I took part in 100 and 200 meters race. In 100 meters race, I came first. I got a gold medal. My friend Ravi got first in 200 meters. The girls' team won the relay race. In the long jump, Rubesh won the first prize. He is in the 6th grade. Yasmin was the champion of the year. The events ended with giving away the prizes. So here they are given the paragraph and you have to tick the correct answer. Tick the champion of the year. Who is the champion here? Here Ravi, Yasmin and Rubesh. Okay. So you can write the events won by this. So who won the, Yasmin won the champions of the year. So you take the girl's photo. Then write the event won by this player. Here, Rubesh won the first prize in the long jump and this is the Rubesh to write long jump and here is the Ravi. So Ravi got first prize in relay. So in the first boy, in the boy on the B, first one the relay race. That boy won in the relay race. This is by Ravi. And second one is the, what is this? Write the events won by this players. Girls, who got the girls won in the started the event 100 meters race. Girls only relay race. Girls won the relay race. Second picture, girls they won in the relay race. And Ravi got first in 200 meters. 200 meters he won the first place. And then Rubesh got the long jump. Rubesh won the long jump. He got the prize. So they are given the pictures. So first Ravi 200 meters he won and girls relay race and Rubesh in the long jump. So reading this paragraph and write the answer. Okay. And now the next one. Here I can do. Page number this. You will see that I can do. Page number I will say. I can do. So in this, Answer the following. They are given the cup. So in the cup, the name of the object, that is the sports cup. They are given the name of the object. That is the sports cup. Name of the object. The sports cup. That is the answer. They are given the picture. Then mother tongue. Mother tongue la நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? அந்த கப் mother tongue னா தமிழ்ல. ஸோ தமிழில் அந்த என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? அது விளையாட்டு கோப்பை. விளையாட்டு கோப்பை. Then use in sentence. அடுத்தது use in sentenceல or we can write any sentence on your own using that cup. I won a sports cup. I won a sports cup in this match. In this match. Okay. So like this you have to write. The next one, B. Write the words. Page number 115. I can do. I can do. Write the words with same meaning. Write the words with same meaning. So what are the words? They are given. மேலே வந்து fast. They are given the options. Fast, afraid, and train. So here 3 words they are given. Now we have to write for fear. Fear ka the same meaning in our afraid. Afraid. And second one is practice. Practice we can say train. Train na and the train illa training solrom illaya, that train. Then third one, speed. Speed means fast also we can say. It is fast. They are given the picture and the down they are given the words also. So we can put the words proper word. Fear, afraid, practice, train, speed, fast. Okay. Now write the opposites they are given. See, same page only. The next one is write the opposites. See, it's write the opposites. So, idukku adhe mari the words are given. Fix, young, and then near. So, 3 words they are given. Fix, young, and near. Here they are given old. So old, what is the opposite? Young. Okay. Then next picture is break. So break or the opposites one, you can write fix. Already they are given, so you can write a fix. And third one, far. What is that? Near. So the opposite into that you can write. Can you understand, children? Old they are given, so opposite is young. Break, fix. Far, near. So options apart, you can write the answers. Then choose the correct rhyming word. The same page they are having. Choose the correct rhyming word. Match the correct rhyming word. Match the correct rhyming word. So, you have to write the match the following rhyming words. Here they are given nature, bird, and face. Here they are given herd, H-A-R-D, herd. We'll put the numbers. Race, and then creature. So nature, creature. So this is number 1. Bird, herd. This is number 2. Face, race. This is number 3. Okay, then complete the sentences. Next one is complete the sentences using the correct words. Complete the sentences using connecting words. Connecting words they are given, so we have to write it. Okay, yeah? Because and so they are given. Because and so. Okay, so we have to use because and so. First one, I work hard. First one is I worked hard. So I got promotion. So I got promotion. Okay, because and so which you Second one, I was late because there was a heavy traffic. I was late. A late achina because there was a heavy traffic. Okay, so because put in. Then third one, I missed the bus. I missed the bus. I missed the bus. So I took a taxi. I took a taxi. I complete the sentences using the connecting words they given because and so. Okay, yeah. So because and so which because and so I worked hard, so I got promotion. The next one, I was late because there was a heavy traffic. I missed the bus, so I took a taxi. So these are the exercises that have been given in this page. Okay. Okay, now the next one is about the poem. So all the exercises we have been completed in this lesson so far. So this lessons will be over. And this page number. Now we'll see the letter writing in page number 93. They are given they are written write a letter of a thanking letter. Already we have written in this. So learn the letter writing, children. They are given the sum of the words lovely, excellent, interesting, enjoyable, fun, thank, and thoughtful. These are the words they are given. We have to use these words and we have to write a thanking letter to your Murthy Tata they had given. So already we have written this letter. Dear Murthy Tata, how are you? I hope this letter finds you in good health. Thank you for your excellent and interesting stories which you had told us in the past. Park. Okay. It was really lovely and enjoyable to hear these stories from you. We had a lot of fun and all of us were thoughtful in your stories. Now we miss you a lot. Yours lovingly put it. You can write your name. And here one thanking letter is here. Write a thank you letter to your grandma for the birthday present. Shall we write this? This is in your book itself, so you can put the heading. Write a letter. Page number 93. Write a letter. Write a thank you letter. Thanking letter to grandma. Birthday present. Birthday present. So, thanking letter, this is உங்க grandmaக்கு gift அனுப்பிச்சிருக்காங்க. So, you put the date. If it is today's date, you can put the today's date and write a letter. Dear grandma. Dear grandma. How are you? How are you? I hope this letter finds you in good health. Good health. Thank you for the wristwatch presented to me. Wristwatch presented to me for my birthday. So you are thanking your grandma for she sent a wristwatch as a birthday present. It is very light. It's not so weight, so it is very light and waterproof. So how the watch is, that also you can write in this letter, waterproof. Okay, then it is useful to know. It is useful to know the time. To know the time during exams. Okay, then you can write yours lovingly. Yours lovingly. Your name போடணும், உங்க name போடணும். Okay? So write a thanking letter to your grandma for the birthday present. Dear grandma, how are you? I hope this letter finds you in good health. Whenever there is a full stop, you just put a full stop children properly. Thank you for the wristwatch presented to me. Like this. Why I put the comma means while you are reading, stop and then learn. Thank you for the wristwatch presented to me for my birthday. It is very light and waterproof. It is useful to know the time during exams. Yours lovingly. You can write your name. Can you understand, children? So this is the letter, and already I write a letter thanking to the Tata, and the keywords used pani letter that you have finished. And next one is write a letter to your aunt for the time you spent on a home during the holidays. Unga auntie ke time ninga eppadi spend panninga holidays you have to write. Okay.